Hello, I'm Max LaFleur. This is tutorial on for Autistic Boy Toy. It's fucking amazing. Don't you like it? You aggressively penetrate the red buttons on the Fidget cube. There is a smooth spot that you aggressively smudge your finger on. I love this one. There's this thing which doesn't really. It does. It's broken. Okay. There's a switch. You know, if you're that annoying dude that just likes turning off and on the lights, you'll like that one. It's just constant. There's a metal ball. It's fucking amazing, man. Then these little 3 things that you just rub your finger on. Fucking greatness. I think my favorite is the smudge spot. Fucking amazing. Get it. Yeah. Good job, man.